Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do this video before I do wash day because I'm trying to stretch it like at least another day or two. So I wanted to show you guys how to get the perfect twist. Now you could do twists many ways, but sometimes they're not always defined. It doesn't come out how you want it to come out. So I'm going to show you how to get super defined twists, and when you take them out, your twist out will be super defined as well. So, ooh child, don't come for me. So I'm just gonna take my little braids out. So I'm not going to do defined parts. I'm not going to make sure my parts are super straight because at the end of the day, when I take the twist out, I'm just going to go ahead and pick the roots, so you're not even going to see the parts. But if you want to wear your twist for a few days, then by all means go ahead and make them part straight, girl, okay? So let me just put this back. Okay, so usually this is how I used to do my twist. I would just go like this. I wouldn't make sure that it was tight or anything. I just twisted it like this. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with doing your twist like this. But from my personal experience, I never got the defined twist or twist out that I needed. So here's another way. Okay, this is how I used to do it. And this is how I do it now. So I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. I'm using a curling cream, my OGX. And I'm not putting a lot on. I'm just gonna go ahead and rake that through. Okay, so what you wanna do is make sure that your hair is in somewhat even parts. And usually I would just twist it twice like a regular twist. And then I always take the hair on my right side because I'm right-handed. Take my index finger and wrap my finger around the hair, then twist it. Wrap my finger around the hair, then twist it. Wrap my finger around the hair, then twist it. And I just continue to do that throughout my whole head. And also it's making sure that your curls are going to be elongated. So I can't wait to show you how much better this twist looks than the one on my left side. Well, you can already see how much more sleeker it looks, how much more cleaner it looks. So look at this twist compared to that twist. I mean, I would go with this twist all day. And just gonna show you guys again. Take my index finger, put it around the hair, then twist. Index finger, put it around the hair, got that hold on it, then twist. Hold, twist, wrap, twist, wrap, twist. Okay, so I know y'all are probably like, why is the lighting so different? It looks so much better. So when I first started recording, it was like really dark outside and stuff. So I was like, I'm just gonna use my lighting. But honey, once I seen that bright sunlight pop through, I was like, let me use this natural light. So that's why it looks like this. And I just wanted to use this bright natural light. Natural light is everything, y'all. So that's why it's two different lighting settings. Okay, so I'm all done. I didn't do a lot of twists, and I did medium size kind of. So as you see, my twists, they're already like elongated. So I think I'm just gonna wear these for a day, but I will do another video showing you what my results are. But really this video was to focus on how to get your twists really defined and so that they look nice and juicy. And you could just wear your hair like this, put your hair back in like a little bun and bobby pin it and go about your day, put a little head accessory on, you know, whatever you prefer. But because it's Sunday, I'm going to put my bonnet on and do some Sunday cleaning. But that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps. If you try this method or if you do this method already, definitely let me know down below in the comments. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. And I will see you all on the next video.